How to buy Bitcoin or any other crypto on Kraken. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin or any other assets in Kraken. Now, first things first, you'll have to create your free Kraken account. You can easily get the Kraken wallet application on your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Then you want to go ahead and create an account. You can easily create an account by tapping on sign up and then entering in your Gmail or phone number and logging in with verification code. Once you do so, you want to connect a funding method. You want to fund your account with your preferred payment method. So unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here, but you can head over to the accounts tab, and here you should be able to see the option to deposit or fund your account, and you should be able to fund an account. I'll be making a separate video on how you can do so once I get access to my account. Now, once you have funded your account with your preferred payment method, you can complete your crypto purchase or your Bitcoin purchase. You can simply go ahead and head over to the Bitcoin tab, and then you'll get the buy option. Tap on it, go ahead, enter in the amount, enter in your payment, and you're good to go. So this way you can buy Bitcoin on Kraken. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.